And you know, we kind of got into we did some camping, which is not something I've done in many years. I know Mike never has in his entire life. Rough for Mike there. But anyway, you know, and we kind of got into the whole, you know, Steinbeck, Grapes of Wrath, Tom Joad thing, you know. Only we were in an RV. Big difference there. And I read, you know, the Grapes of Wrath before we left. I'd read it years before, but thought, you know, I'd get my mind settled to it. And Steinbeck, you know, makes the connection between the Dust Bowl Okies, as they were referred to, and the children of Israel, you know, being driven out. And in the case of the Okies, you know, the immigrants, the dust that came in and covered everything up, and they were all going out to California. A lot of hardship going on there. And our new record, part of what we explore is that whole immigration aspect of American history. And this is one of the songs off the record that we're going to do for you right now that connects us all to not only those Okies, but to the children of Israel. This is called Israelites and Okies.
Israelites and Okies, escaping across the desert, driven by the lash of prophets, towards the markets of the promised land. But when in the heart of darkness, golden calves and neon signs, bright enough to paint a halo above the sin on our mind. I wanna travel this broken road, strapped to the mercy seat, paying strict and holy attention to the people and me. If I'm gonna show you heaven, first I've gotta show you hell. About exiles in the garden, it's all that after hell. Oh, Israelites and Okies, baby, I'll travel.